If you like chocolate and banana bread, then you will certainly like this moist and scrumptious chocolate banana bread recipe. This chocolate banana bread is super easy to make. Take 7 ripe bananas and toss them into a big mixing bowl. Now, take a fork or potato masher and mash them until they're nice and smooth, kind of like pudding. Then add a half a stick of butter, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and half a cup of Greek yogurt, and give the ingredients a mix. Now add 1/3 cup of granulated sugar and 1/3 cup of brown sugar and mix again. In another bowl, mix together 1 cup of all-purpose flour, half a cup of cocoa powder, half a teaspoon of kosher salt, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda and give them a mix. Now, mix together the wet ingredients and dry ingredients till well combined. Now, to make this banana bread extra gooey and chocolatey, I like adding a cup of chocolate chips. Give it another quick mix and your chocolate banana bread is ready for baking. Transfer the batter into a loaf pan lined with parchment paper, sprinkling a few more chocolate chips on top for good measure. Then, pop it into a preheated oven and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for about 50 to 60 minutes. You'll know it's done when you can insert a toothpick into the banana bread and it comes out clean. If you liked this moist chocolate banana bread recipe, then check out also how to make this super easy, chocolatey, soft, and fudgy sweet potato and avocado brownie here. Check it out now.